that we can show others how to end up in a rabbit hole.
Hey, Nikki Jackson. Hey, girl.
Okay.
She's in Facebook.
Oh, hey.
I am. I don't know what my mama over there cooking, but I'm hungry. And
It smells
it smell
good.
real good.
She
Feel like
said
Now
it.
my stomach growling.
it's smelling really good. This sugar plum palette hit. I ain't even gonna lie.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to screenshot this and put it in my camera, do something in camera with it for the holidays. It's called Sugar Plum. It's a collection of purples and greens.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
It does. And pink. And pink. That's correct.
You said it hits different, huh?
Yeah. I wouldn't have put these colors together. Mm.
Okay.
Oh, she only got one like this. Okay.
Yeah, it is so interesting how um, we are just doing our things and looking at you guys are coloring and it's it, Martine is finding new palettes. Oh, that's a nice earring there, Martine.
Right?
That's a really nice
It
earring.
is.
Mm. I wish I remember what I used to color it, but I sure don't. Oh, glitter. I used the glitter pen. Okay.
You're like,
Whew.
I wish I knew what I used to color it. Oh, that is
I
hysterical.
used the glitter pen.
Not quite sure what I did, but I like it.
With a nice dark chocolate. Tea time? Let me see there.
Hysterical.
I saw red and oh, the color palette. Yes, the color palette is called Tea Time.
Know what I use to color it. That's what that lady said.
Yeah, I couldn't
Mm.
remember.
Oh,
Yeah. Is anybody rewatching stuff for the like? I have certain things I rewatch for the winter. So right now I'm rewatching Virgin River just because I know it's gonna get cold on the show, and I go ahead and get my mind wrapped around it's gonna be cold. Anybody have any shows they rewatch? I do Harry Potter with my kids too.
mm,
Mm.
I'm trying to think. I'm more of I just want to see what's coming on new and then
Mm-hmm.
move from
I'm
there.
a Hallmark Lifetime Christmas movie,
Oh, so this is
Yeah,
Thanksgiving movie. This is my time, honey. I want to see
yeah,
all of them.
me too. I've been
And they
trying to
got some
hold
good
off
ones coming on
on what?
Lifetime.
Oh, for real? I may or may not
Hmm
already have my Hallmark calendar for the month of